Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts and welcome. So what I want to show you guys today is I want to show you how I make my little junky grungy Grammy doll face. I want to show you the little witch's face that we're going to put on a little doll today. So this is Blair and she is for sale in my Etsy shop as of now, as the video is posting, or I mean, as I'm making this video. So I will make sure to put her link down below. Plus, I will have a pattern coming soon on how to make these uh, little grungy witches, and that's what I'm working on now. Is making all the videos showing you guys step by step on how I put my little witch dolls together. And then the pattern will just be an outline of everything that I use. And then you can come and watch my videos and put your own little witch doll together. So it's just a fun little thing. And they're fairly inexpensive, the pattern will be. And I have other patterns down below if you want to check out my grungy witches and my little mini dolls, or not my grungy witches, sorry, my grungy junky Grammy dolls, plus my little mini dolls, plus my primitive animals. So I just have different little patterns I'll make sure are down below, or any dolls that are available down below in my Etsy shop. The link will be down there. And then also at the end screen, I'll make sure to put all the playlist of everything I've made for these fun little dolls. So I hope you guys are having fun following along as much as I'm having fun making these, and just so much fun. And I really appreciate your guys' comments and your support. So let's get started. So I'm going to move her over to the side. And we'll get started with her little face. So this is her little cape. Is that cute? I just thought that was fun. So that's her cape. And I have videos where I showed you guys how to put the body together and then make the cape. And that'll be on the end screen for the playlist. So you guys come check it out. But like I said, I'm going to be doing each step and showing you guys exactly how to put these all together, just different episodes and stuff. So what you're going to need is some buttons. So I just have 2 buttons. I have some vintage photo distress oxide and a dauber here. Just some either blush or just bronzer or anything like that, and a Q-tip. Some scissors. I have on one needle just regular thread, some thread. And then on the other needle here, I have embroidery floss, and I have 2 strands of black. Okay, so what we're going to do is just get started here with the nose, and I'll show you guys how to do the nose here. Go back behind, on the back of the head here. Pop up, and then you're going to want to go just a couple of threads down on the fabric, not back in the same hole, so make sure you go down a little bit, go under, and then pop out about quarter of an inch or so, just how wide you want the nose. Plus we're going to yank on it, so it makes it a little smaller. So you're just going to do that back and forth. You just go down a little bit, pop it up right under the last one you made, like that, and then continue doing that until we get to where, as long as you want your nose. So as you see, when you pull on it, it makes it all gather together. So just looking at it, seeing how far you want it down. I'm going to do one more here. And then I just go give it a little tug, go across, and then just pop down right beside it and go all the way back. Like that. And then we're going to put a knot back here. And there we go. And we have a cute little nose. Then this is when I take my Distress Oxide. And you can use anything. You can do coffee solution that you did, with instant coffee and stuff. I actually do have a primitive solution, and it's like a coffee solution plus a bunch of fun little spices and stuff that you can find around your house. I'll put that on the end screen. I think it's in with my Junky Grungy Grammy doll series. So if you guys go check that out, it just tells you, you can see that it says grungy solution. And that's just a fun little, I give you guys the measurements and everything. So I just take this and kind of grunge your face up. You can use, like I said, anything that you want to grunge her up. Okay, and I don't worry about the back of the head or anything because I'm gonna, when we give her hair and stuff, it'll hide it. So you don't have to worry about that. So there's that. And then I place my buttons. Oh yeah, you'll need some straight pins too. Just get a couple straight pins just to help hold the eyes in place. I love doing them different sizes. I just think it gives it just such character. But you can do the eyes however you want, with whatever size buttons you want. I always take it and look at it, see if that's where I like it. Take my other little button here. And I look at it. I think that's cute. So then this is when I take my embroidery floss. And like I said, I just did 2 strands of it. Um, I do have buttons. I have tons of buttons that I ordered on Amazon. So those will be in my links down below if you guys want to come check them out. Plus, I could put my embroidery floss that I use down there. And if I forget to put anything in the links that I mentioned, just remind me and I'll pop it down there for you guys. Sometimes I get too busy and forget, and I appreciate if you guys remind me. That helps a lot. But I think they're down there, so I just take it, go up through, and then go up to the top here, and you can take out your little straight pin. So I pretty much just make an X in the button, or a plus sign, or however you're going to have it. Do that. And I do want to mention in these videos that these are not intended for children because they do have choking hazards on them, like the buttons and then the little trinkets and just different things like that. So I do not recommend these to be made for children or bought for children if you come to my Etsy shop and buy one. Just a disclaimer I wanted to put out there. So I just go up, around, through the back here, hold it where I want it, take out your pin, see where you want it, and then just pop it right back down. Okay. Do it a couple times if you want to. Sometimes you have to find the little buttonhole. That is the fun part. There we go. And just pop it right back down. Secure it in there. Then I just tie it off. And then usually with the buttons, I'll double knot it just because I want to make sure that they're secured in there. So I just give them a double knot. And we got our eyes. Isn't that cute? Okay. And then a pencil. So I knew I'd be adding a little bit of stuff here. So I take a pencil, and I like to do just a fun little, you can do a little cheeky smile, you can do a little grimace if you want, you can do, however you want. So I just take my pencil here. First, let's put the blush on. Either or, it doesn't matter. You can do it whenever, but I just take my Q-tip and just do a little cheek. A little rosy cheek. And if you guys can think of a name for her, I think that would be so much fun. We'll have a little name. Just comment down below. I love hearing from you guys and coming up with fun doll names, and maybe one of your names will be one of the dolls. But let's see uh, what we can come up with her name here. So yeah, comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. And if you guys are enjoying this video, hit the like button. That does help me out a lot, get my video out there further for others to see. I'm gonna make these little grungy Grammy witches here. So I just take my pencil and just lightly draw a little smile, a fun little smile. And I'm just making sure my strand of embroidery floss, the 2 strands here, I'm making sure it's going to be long enough because we're going to have to go all the way down and then do the little little notches here for her mouth. Okay. Back here. I start just a little above the line. And I go down below it and then pop up right about my line that I made. Right there. And then you can see if you don't like how you went over too far like that, you could do it again. Because I like to make sure that I get up underneath it. So I like to show you guys my mistakes, if you will, just to show you that you could do it different ways. So here, I'll show you again. So you're going to start at the top, like you have your mouth line here. So you're going to start up above a little bit and then down below, and then just pop there. And then you'll see. There, now it's covered. So then the little crease smile right here, you have your little part underneath it, so it's not all split like that. So you have it covering it. And then I just go down a little bit, and this is just a preference how far you want to spread out the little lines that you want to put in. So I just do and grab a little bit, like just a strand or so of the fabric, and then I just go through, hold it in place, and then I grab just a little strand of fabric, 1 or 2 strands, and then pop it through. And I just keep doing that. See, and it kind of forms, it stays with the shape of how you drew it. So then you just pop it through like that, and then just go down. So just follow your pencil mark. No matter how wavy you make it, you can put these closer together if you want, and it'll just hold it to that shape. You're grabbing enough here. Okay. That. Okay, and then I'm at the end, so I'm going to go to the end of my pencil mark, pop up just a little bit, like that. And then I'm going to go and take it down, and then over. I'm going right above the little mark I did there, a little like that. Okay, and then we just continue. So you're covering up your little, when you took the fabric up, you're just pretty much covering those up, and you know where you want to put it. There you go. And then just pop it back through the back, and you're all done. And tie it off. And it's as easy as that. Make a witch's face. There. Actually, any of my junky, grungy Grammy dolls or any of my Grammy dolls and stuff like that, that's how I make the faces. So I just wanted to pop on real quick, show you guys how I make their cute little faces. and I hope you enjoyed it and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.